learn about the weather-related disasters. What are weather-related disasters? The disasters such as floods, cyclones, and droughts, which are caused by weather, are known as weather-related disasters. Let us learn about floods. What are floods? An overflow of extremely large amount of water beyond its limit is known as flood. It has a great erosive power and can extremely destructive even if it is a foot high. It is normally seen in southwest monsoon, which receive heavy rainfall leading to floods in many rivers. People living in low-lying areas affect the most. Due to floods, the fertile topsoil is removed by fast-flowing waters and leaving the land infertile. Reaction with floods. The government should also ensure facilities for quick evacuation of people and animals. Rescue equipment such as boats and means of communication should be kept ready. The local administration should be ready to prevent diseases when caused by floods. Preparedness before floods. People should move to safer places when there is an announcement of floods. Electrical mains should be switched off to avoid short circuits. Toilets should be blocked with sandbags to prevent any backflow of sewage. Store sufficient essential supplies of food, water, and medicines. Plant trees and shrubs and keep lot of vegetation in your compound if you are in low-lying areas so that it can stop overflow of water to some extent. Below is an image. The blue color indicates the flood-prone areas in India. The next weather-related disaster, that is cyclone. Cyclones are powerful swirling storms that measure from 300 to 500 km diameter. So many cyclones have caused widespread dust and destruction. Here you can see an image of cyclone. In a cyclone, the wind blows at a speed of 120 km per hour. Cyclones are roughly circular and oval in shape. They originate as a wave along the front separating two air masses at different temperature, density and directions. Coastal areas such as West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are cyclone originating in Bay of Bengal. These cyclones bring heavy rainfall because a warm moist air is made to rise over a mass of cold air. Now coping with the cyclones. People in cyclone-prone areas must be alert and announcement and instructions from the meteorological department. Pre-constructed shelters are arranged in these areas. Coastal vegetation must be conserved and reduce the impact of flows. The houses in these areas should be designed to withstand strong winds. Alertness during cyclones. People should follow the instructions given on radio and television to avoid danger. People should stay inside their homes. Close shutters and nails and all windows and secure doors. They should take severe precautions against snake bite, fallen electric poles and wires, etc. In the below image you can see the blue color indicates the cyclone prone areas in India. Coming to the next natural weather related disaster, that is droughts. Droughts occur when there is no enough water to satisfy the normal needs of agriculture, livestock and human population. Whenever the monsoon rain falls, the effect can be disastrous. There is scarcity of drinking water and crops die when there are droughts. In India, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Odisha are often experiencing drought conditions. Deforestation, poor agriculture and misuse of groundwater can also cause drought. Here is an image. You can see the drought heatland area. Coping with the droughts. Droughts is not a sudden disaster. It is caused due to also man-made. We can take several steps to reduce its impact. Rainwater harvesting is very necessary in tackling drought conditions. Rainwater harvesting at home and school should be done. In urban areas, wastage and misuse of water should be stopped. Water storage and dams and artificial lakes are to be prepared so as to store water for the scarcity of water. Steps to conserve water. We should not waste water. Stop leakages and recycling use of water for watering plants and washing vehicles. Use rainwater for harvesting. Plant as many trees as possible. This extracts moisture and rainfall. Spread awareness about water conservation and do not waste or pollute water. Turn off the taps when the water is not in use. By following these steps, we can conserve water. Here is an image of rainwater harvesting built near homes.